Therefore, we'll get y4 at 0 as a square into a square plus 2 square. Okay, now let us substitute the values into the series. So the Maclaurin series corresponding to e raised to a sine inverse of x is 1 plus a x by 1 factorial varum plus a square x square by 2 factorial, then y3 at 0 is a into a square plus 1 square x cube by 3 factorial plus a square into a square plus 2 square x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus etc. We were asked to find e raised to theta. So we need to put theta equal to a sine inverse of x. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ സീരീസിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് എക്സ് തീറ്റയുടെ ടേമിൽ റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാം. So theta is a sine inverse of x. So theta by a will be equal to sine inverse of x. So therefore we'll get x as sine of theta by a. So substitute for x here. So that will give the expression of e raised to theta. So x ന് പകരം sine theta by a ഇതിൽ substitute ചെയ്യാം. So this will be the value of e raised to theta. Next problem is to expand sine inverse of x whole square in the ascending powers of x. So we have y equal to sine inverse of x whole square. So y at 0 will be equal to 0. Sine inverse of 0 is 0. So y at 0 is 0. Now let us take the first derivative. So that will give 2 sine inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square. Again, when x is 0, y1 at 0 will be 0. Now, let us multiply root of 1 minus x square to the left side and square on both sides. So, we will get 1 minus x square, y1 square equal to 4. Now, sine inverse of x y ആണ് അപ്പോൾ sine inverse of x whole square വരും. That will be equal to y. So, we will get 4y. Now, let us take the derivative once again. So, we will get 1 minus x square, 2 y1 y2 plus y1 square minus 2x equal to 4 y1. But 2 y1 will cancel out. So, we will get 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1 equal to 2. So, now we can find out y2 of 0 from this one. So, x equal to 0 എടുക്കുക. So y2 of 0 will be, this term will be 0. So 2 വരും. Now let us differentiate it n times. So by Leibniz theorem, so this will be the derivative you obtain when you differentiate it n times. So from here we will get the general expression. So that is 1 minus x square yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 x yn plus 1 minus n square yn equal to 0. Now let us find the remaining derivatives. So when n is equal to 1, okay, let me put x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, we will have yn plus 2. ഈ term എപ്പോഴും 0 ആയിരിക്കും. So minus n square yn. So that will give yn plus 2 equal to n square yn. Now let us find y3. So y3 at 0 will be 1 into y1, so which is 0. y4 at 0 will be, so n equal to 2 varum. 2 square is 4. 4 into y2 at 0. y2 at 0 is 8 varum നമുക്ക്. y5 at 0 will be 0 കാരണം അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് y3 ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. y3 0 ആണ്. Again y6 at 0 will be, y6 വരണമെങ്കിൽ 4 ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ 16 y4 of 0. So that will be 16 into 8. So which is equal to 128. So now let us write the series. So therefore sine inverse of x whole square will be equal to, the first two terms are 0. So it will start with x square by 2 factorial വെച്ചായിരിക്കും തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. So 2 x square by 2 factorial, then y3 is 0. So plus 8 x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus 128 x raised to 6 by 6 factorial plus etc. So that is the series for sine inverse of x whole square.